Hello friends, in this video I want to teach you step by step how to open an account and register on Delta Exchange through the TradingFinder website. We open the crypto exchange review, and after selecting Delta Exchange, we click on the Go to Website option, and the Delta Exchange website page will open for us. Through the Sign Up Now option or the Sign Up button in this section, we enter the account registration page. In this section, select your country of residence, then in the next field, enter an email address that you have not previously registered with on this site. Choose a password that includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and then click on the Sign Up button. At this stage, a code will be sent to you to verify your registration email address. Open the inbox of your registration email address and copy the code from there. Then paste it in this field and click on the Submit button. In the next step, a page will open informing you that you need to complete identity verification on Delta Exchange. Your initial account registration on Delta Exchange has been successfully completed. And as you can see, by clicking on Get Verified Now, we return to the main dashboard of the exchange. We are currently on the main dashboard of this exchange, and in upcoming videos, we will guide you step by step through the process of verification and uploading documents on this platform. Wishing you success and profitable trades.